Good day, traders. This is Rick with your after market update for the Futures Trading Coach live trading alert room. Today is Tuesday, January 14th. Today we had one winning trade. That was our core trade that most people took. There were two advanced trades. Both of them were losers. However, only about 1% or less of the people in the room were even in the trades in the first place. Advanced trades have to be taken under certain scenarios, which people that are members of the room are aware of. But I will go through the trades anyway, and we'll let you know what we did. The first trade came right when the market opened. And per our rules, any trade that happens during certain times is considered an advanced trade, meaning that you have to take it with significantly smaller size than your normal setup. Smaller lot traders would be out of the trade. So here, what we did was we went long. Market pulled back. Under normal situations, we would add to our trade. I told everybody not to add because it was an advanced setup anyway, and that was a stop out, a small loss. It was a full stop, but it was on a much smaller size than somebody would normally take. So let's say if you were a 4-lot trader, you'd take it with like 1. So there was a small loss there. The second trade that we had in the ES was the trade that almost everybody was in. It was really our only core trade of the day. And that one we got long at 1821, and we had our target here. We start taking profits at 22, then 24, 27.50 to 29. I gave people the choice if they wanted to hold for the circle or get out here. And then our longer term stretch was 32, which was hit. Now when the room was closing, which was right around here, what we were looking for at this point, once the trade goes well in excess of 7-8 points, we look for what's called a material change in the market. Even before that, around the 5-point mark, once our targets are hit, if you have anything remaining. And I was specifically asked right around here, was there a material change yet? I said no. I said, in fact, the longer it stays around here, the better the chance, without giving us that material change, the better the chance it's going to start moving up again and hit the next target. So the room closed right around here. So basically we'll say about 7 points up to that point, 8 points. And the next target, the 32, was hit, and it's still going. But so that was a great trade. Average, most people would have gotten on that trade because you're not going to keep everything on. You're going to take some profits along the way. It's probably about 5 points average per contract, maybe 6 depending on how you managed it and when you got out. So it was a beautiful trade there. And then what we had was the last trade of the day. The original trade in crude oil actually happened up here. I missed this trade because we had just gotten into the ES trade up here at 92.50. Now, when we came down, for most people that were in our DNA mentoring room, we had said that this was an add-on. It could be taken as an initial trade, but again, because the crude oil had already moved, 70 pennies or so, 60 pennies. It has, again, it's an advanced type of scenario. Small lot traders would not take it. I think there was one person in the room that did take it, and given it was so late in the morning, and that was a stop out. We were averaged in from 14, 92.14, and that was a stop out. Again, 99% of the room was not in it because of the specific guidelines that we take. So there was really only one core trade. It was the best trade of the day. It went 11 points so far. So that was the day. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Come to our website, futurestradingcoach.com. We offer a free trial, 3-day free trial, no credit card required, and we're going to come back and do it tomorrow. Until tomorrow, safe trading.